How technology is saving the planet and making us look cool. Hey there, Earth lovers! Ready to dive into a world where tech meets tree hugging? Welcome to the Green Tech Revolution. It's where gadgets get a green makeover, apps become eco-warriors, and our planet gets a fighting chance. Let's explore how technology is not only helping us live more sustainably, but also making us look incredibly cool while doing it. Solar-powered gadgets. Here comes the sun and the savings. Remember when we used to think solar power was just for those fancy roof panels? Well, think again. These days, the sun is powering everything, from your smartphone to your backyard fairy lights. Solar chargers. Forget scrambling for an outlet. Solar chargers are here to juice up your devices with nothing but sunlight. Perfect for camping trips or just pretending to be eco-savvy at your local cafe. Solar-powered lights. These outdoor solar lights aren't just for decoration. They help save energy and make your garden look like a magical fairyland. Plus, no more tripping over the garden gnome in the dark. Smart grids, the brainiacs of energy. Imagine if your electricity network was as smart as your phone. They're smart grids. These high-tech systems optimize the distribution of electricity and reduce wastage. Here's how. Efficiency. Smart grids can detect where energy is needed most and direct it there, reducing overall consumption. It's like having a GPS for electricity. Renewable integration. They seamlessly integrate renewable energy sources like wind and solar into the grid, ensuring a steady and reliable power supply. Say goodbye to those blackout blues. Consumer control. Smart meters let you track your energy usage in real time, helping you make smarter choices about when to use electricity. Think of it as a Fitbit for your home's energy diet. Eco-friendly apps, because there's an app for everything. Want to reduce your carbon footprint? There's an app for that. Actually, there are tons of them. Here are a few that can turn your smartphone into an eco-warrior. Bug. This app gamifies sustainability, encouraging you to compete with friends on who can save the most energy. Finally, a way to outdo your neighbor that doesn't involve lawn decorations. Oro Eco. Track your carbon footprint based on your daily activities. It's like having a personal trainer for your environmental impact. You'll feel virtuous every time you walk instead of drive. Too Good to Go. This genius app helps combat food waste by connecting you with restaurants and bakeries that have surplus food. You get delicious meals at a discount, and less food ends up in the trash. I call that a win-win. The fun side of green tech. If all this sounds a bit too serious, don't worry. The green tech revolution isn't just about saving the planet. It's about having fun while doing it. Eco-friendly gaming. Yes, even your video games can go green. Games like Minecraft now have educational modes that teach kids about sustainability. So while you're busy building virtual empires, you're also learning how to save the real world. Green gadgets. From bamboo keyboards to recycled plastic phone cases, there are plenty of stylish and sustainable tech accessories out there. Who knew being eco-friendly could be so chic? Wrapping it up, the green tech revolution is here, and it's making sustainability cooler and more accessible than ever. Whether you're charging your phone with the sun, optimizing your home's energy use, or battling food waste with an app, there's a green tech solution for everyone. So embrace your inner techie tree hugger and join the revolution. After all, saving the planet has never been this much fun or looked this good. Stay safe, stay secure, and if you've got any favorite green gadgets or apps, share them in the comments below. Let's geek out over saving the Earth together. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.